My name is Daniel, and I am 24 years old. Today I want to tell you about my house. It is not very big, but it is perfect for me. I live alone, so I do not need a lot of space. My house has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, and a living room. There is also a small garden outside. When you enter my house, you first see the living room. The living room is my favorite place. It has a big sofa, a small coffee table, and a television. I like to sit on the sofa and watch movies after work. There is a big window in the living room, so it is always bright during the day. Next to the living room is the kitchen. The kitchen is small but very clean. There is a stove, a refrigerator, and a sink. I like to cook simple meals like pasta and sandwiches. There are also 2 chairs and a table in the kitchen, so I can eat there when I'm alone. My bedroom is next to the kitchen. It is not very big, but it is cozy. I have a bed, a closet, and a desk in my bedroom. The bed is very soft, and I like to read books there before I go to sleep. The closet is where I keep my clothes. On the desk, I have my computer and some notebooks. The second bedroom is for guests. It is smaller than my bedroom. There is only a bed and a small table in the guest room. My friends sometimes visit me, and they sleep in this room. I keep it simple but comfortable. The bathroom is between the 2 bedrooms. It has a shower, a sink, and a toilet. There is a mirror above the sink. I keep my toothbrush and soap there. The bathroom is small, but it has everything I need. Outside my house, there is a garden. The garden is small, but I love it. There are some flowers and a small tree. I like to water the plants in the morning. Sometimes I sit in the garden with a cup of coffee and enjoy the fresh air. My house is painted white and the roof is red. It looks very nice, especially in the summer when the sun is shining. There are 2 steps that lead to the front door. I have a small mat that says "Welcome" on it. I also have a garage next to the house. I do not have a car, but I keep my bicycle there. The garage is also a good place to store tools and other things I do not use every day. In the evening, I like to turn on the lights in my house. The lamps make everything look warm and cozy. My neighbors often say my house looks very inviting from the outside. I like my neighborhood too. It is quiet and friendly. There's a park nearby where I can go for a walk. The grocery store is just a short walk from my house, so it is easy to buy food and other things I need. I feel lucky to live in this house. It is not very big or fancy, but it is my home. Every corner of it has something special that I like. I enjoy keeping it clean and organized. Sometimes I think about decorating my house more. Maybe I will buy some pictures for the walls or add more plants to the garden, but for now, I'm happy with how it is. This is my house. It is simple, but it is perfect for me. I hope you liked hearing about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.